All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back to a market review. This is gonna be the first market review video of 2026. Hope you guys all had a good holiday, good Christmas, whatever you guys celebrate. Yeah, I have not taken a trade since I want to say the week of I think the last trading it was the 18th. So haven't really been looking at the charts. Kind of felt weird being on. I don't know. I felt like I forgot how to trade. Kind of weird, but it was kind of nice getting a reset for the year. But yeah, pretty dope. Copped the new trading setup. So I got 2 monitors now. I built my own PC. Pretty dope, honestly. That shit was honestly easier than I thought. But yeah, it's making my trading so much easier. I used to trade on a fucking laptop, bro. Yeah, it's so much better. But anyways, getting into today, there really wasn't much. I think everybody could agree that we were bearish today. We obviously inversed this. I don't even know. It's not even a gap. There was this. What's it called? This is a new year opening gap. New lingo dropped. What do we call ENYOG? New year opening gap. Yeah, weird as hell. But anyways, we inverse this. Kind of just right there is kind of just showing bearish market structure on the higher time frames. We're putting lower highs. Yeah, so I was kind of expecting we were just going to continue down. Yeah, same thing here. We're in a big 4-hour fair value gap. We're still respecting the gap as we speak. But yeah, there wasn't a whole lot else. It was everything was just showing bearish market structure. We had a 4-hour fair value gap right here, which we inversed. And yeah, draws were all lower. If you look at everything, we have so many fucking draws down here. It's absolutely insane. So I think over the course of the next month, we're going to be looking at taking out all these lows here. But yeah, so then 1 hour, again, same thing, hourly fair value gap. We actually just inversed our gap. Yeah, so again, coming to the day, we mark out our, gaps and PD rays and all that. So we didn't really have much. Here, let me bring this back. Yes. Oh, fuck. The hell did I just do? One sec. This is kind of retarded. Wait. Right here, I guess. What is this? This is market open. All right. So, essentially, what we saw was we had a 15-minute gap here. Oh shit, we're on a 5-minute. Yeah, so 15-minute gap here, 15-minute ITL here, ITL here. This was kind of far. Didn't really expect to reach all the way down here today, but still marked it out. We also had this, was this new day opening gap, so had that. Draws were lower. There was also just nothing up here. There was just this high, these 2 highs, and that's it. So coming in the next thing. Oh fuck. There we go. Anyways. Yeah, so I was hoping we would inverse this 15-minute gap right here. Both of these actually. We respected the fuck out of it. Yeah, if you long this, I don't think that was a smart move. We were just so heavy into premium of this leg here, of these legs. It didn't make sense to long. So yeah, it was just a waiting game at this point. We inverse 5-minute. I don't know, some people might have taken this. I personally didn't bother taking it. Just because we were respecting the shit out of the 5-minute. Kind of dumb if you did take it. Then there was a 5-minute here to long, but personally, I think we got the inverse eventually. yeah, not a fan of it. I'm just gonna leave replay mode. Not a fan of it. Leave. Not a fan of it. This was just not great price action. I wanted lower. My draws were all lower. I think everybody's draws were lower. Yeah, there was really nothing else to take. I saw people trying to, short out after taking these highs. There was like 3-minute gaps and stuff. Stupid trades if you try to take still, short when we were respecting 15-minute gaps. I saw people trying to short this off this 15-minute ITH, off this 5-minute inverse. Not a terrible trade, but not ideal either. But yeah, we did have heavy SMT. That was one thing. That also made me bearish, was we did have a lot of bearish SMT. Like, as you can see, ES took out these highs here and Q didn't. So yeah, honestly, really nothing else. There was one trade that I saw that would have played out on market open. It's not a mech. It was a it was standard deviations, paired with some OTE stuff. And like fib, but I don't really want to trade that right now. I don't really feel like trading that on my fundeds. Mostly just use the pass evals quick. But yeah, that was it. I saw nothing else. We had news at 10. News didn't really do anything. I think that's why some people tried to short off this, because this was 10 a.m. Yeah, like this was 10 a.m. So this is a news high. So news high sweep at the inverse, but that was stupid, really stupid. Yeah, so I sat on my hands, didn't take shit, and honestly, you guys shouldn't have either. There was nothing to take. Yeah, that's kind of where we're at. And then yeah, now I got TradeSync now, because I'm trading 3 firms at a time, so I got my TradeSync set up. It's pretty dope, kind of awesome. I like that I can execute on TradingView. It's kind of nice. But yeah, so hopefully we get something good this week. I don't know. Hopefully we get some good price action. We're loaded with news. Like, if you check Forex Factory here, where's Forex Factory? Yeah, we can like quickly go through what's going on. Yeah, so I don't know why my filters aren't on, but yeah, so today we had ISM. There was just nothing really. Tomorrow though, oh wait, tomorrow we actually have nothing. That's all AUD, and it's actually an Italian bank holiday. That's fucking useless, whatever. But Wednesday we got non-farm payroll, we got PMI, and we got Jolt's job openings. Tuesday we got unemployment, and then Friday is loaded. We got hourly earnings, non-farm payroll, then we got unemployment rate, and then I don't know what this shit is. I don't know, but we're loaded with news. Shouldn't be a bad week. Last week was kind of ass. That's why I didn't start trading last week. We had nothing. But yeah, I hope you guys, were careful today, just because of how weird price was moving, and I hope you guys were very diligent on what you took. Other than that, yeah, I guess we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Hopefully we catch a banger. Again, market reviews are going to be up every single day that I am on the charts. Same with trade recaps, all that. When I do trade, there will be trade recaps, win or loss. Also, go check out, I just dropped a crash course, I guess you call it, on ICT concepts. So there's some sauce in there, I guess. It is very just basic concepts. It's not it's not entry model or anything. It's literally just basic concepts, and I will drop a video on how I trade and my trading model and all that very, very soon. But yeah, other than that, hope you guys had a good break. hopefully you guys refresh your minds, took a break from trading, and ready to fucking bang 2026. And yeah, see you boys.